How did idolatry begin? When Hazrat Adam, peace be upon him, left the world, his children would cry so much remembering him that they would get sick. The devil created a whisper in their hearts that, "Make an idol of your father's image out of clay that will bring comfort to your heart." So they prepared a statue of Hazrat Adam, peace be upon him, and started visiting that idol every day, and comforted himself with it. After some time, devil said to them, "Your father Adam, your mother Hva are great and respectable, that is why they are worthy of prostration. Worship them." They did just that. And so, for some time, the idea settled in the minds of the people that they are their creators, and gradually idolatry started among the people of Adam. Share this information to your friends as an ongoing charity.